We're going to do a brief video on AAPL, Apple stock analysis. We've got a daily chart on here for you with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. As we can see, Apple's in a bear market. It's rallied up here, tried to get into a bull market and fell back below around the August 29th period and is now in a bear market. You can see that today's price is down about almost 2% on 29 million shares. It's trading right now at about 149.99, right at 150. And 29 million shares, the average daily volume is about 75 million shares. So Apple's really trading good this morning at about 10:30. And let's take a quick look. We can see it's below the 200-day moving average, below the 20-day moving average, below the 5-day moving average. We're looking for support for Apple somewhere in here, and it's debatable if we'll find it before we get back down here to the 133 level, but in general, we could find some support down here at about 144 if we get what we need to get technically. We need to come down here and get it over with, get down into this low 140s level, then catch some support and see if we can't get Apple back out of this and get it back into bull market territory up here in the 160s. So we need to come down in about the 143, 144 range and get some support on the 5-day, get the 20-day underprice and get it rallying back up for a charge at the 200-day moving average, probably around, I'm going to say, probably around early November, to charge back up here around 160 to make a charge at the 200-day moving average, which is probably going to be around the 158 level at that time. So that's what we're looking for. What are we likely to get? From a factual perspective, we're likely to see one of two things. We put in this low here at 148.37 on September 16th. If that low holds, then my analysis is not going to be as worse as my analysis. We may just get a bottom in here and we'll rally up here nicely. We would have to come across a little bit, probably till the first week of October, get these moving averages under price and move up for a stab maybe by the 15th of October in the 160 range at the 200-day moving average. But however, if this does not hold, this low, this September 16th low of 148.37, if it doesn't hold, then I think we're going to go to the 144 range, and same thing again, see if we can get some support down here and get the moving averages under it and get it rallied back up. But then you're talking about late October and a stab at the 200-day, probably late October-ish, early November at the most. It just depends on how aggressive they are at buying it, but probably end of, maybe the 3rd week of October, something like that. So those are the two scenarios, just for entertainment purposes only, all in my opinion. Let's take a look and see what Apple is doing algorithmically with RBAM research. And we have Apple pricing up here today. For Friday, we cover 190 stocks, 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. These are trading days. And for Apple, you can see, consistent with my analysis, we have no buy price on here today. And let's go down and take a look and see what the trend following system says. It's a 30-day trend following system. The prices I just showed you are algorithmic, and they're not trend following. These are algorithmic but have a trend following component in them. And Apple is here as a short at 154.47. This is a 30-day hold, so you'd take a position today, assuming your own analysis said it was a good thing to do, and then close out at a loss within by the 30th trading day, or take your profits as soon as you got them. So let's see if the market's traded. I don't think it's traded through 154 yet. Let's take a look. So it's not. So the high is 150, 147 today. So we're showing on a trend following system to short Apple at 154, but we're not there yet, and there's no buy prices algorithmically for short-term trading. So that's where we are today on Apple, and you can get all access to 190 stocks that we cover every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Absolutely free, no credit card required. They're all out Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. for 190 stocks. The major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Everything is longs or shorts except the stocks. The stocks are longs only. The trend following system I showed you for stocks that had some shorts on there, those are proprietary and shown to YouTube viewers only right at the moment. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you want to leave us a comment on moving averages, please do that in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind that everything you've heard or seen on here, including the entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment. You must do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. Thanks for tuning in to RBAM Research.